Hello everyone, after this video you can square a numbers which ends in 5 within a second, okay? Within a second. Let me show the trick. So the trick is multiply the first first digit by the next number. Here the first digit is 3, then the next number is, so the next number is 4, yeah? So 3 times 4, which equals to 12. Then what we'll do next, we add 25, okay? 25. So 1225, simply. 35 square, which equals to 1225 within a second. Let us see this example too, okay? 15 square. Then here is also the first step is multiplying the first digit. The first digit is 1 with the second number. The second number next to 1, a number is what? 2. Then 2, which equals to 2. Then here we add what? 25. So 15 square equals to 225. Let us see the third example, 45 square. You can also get the answer within a second. How? Multiplying the first digit with the second number. Next to 4, here is 5, yeah? Times 5, which equals to 20. Here is add what? 25. Therefore, 2025. So 42 square, which equals to 2025. So you can use this trick and you can get the answer within a second, okay?